Good morning, students of class 3. After vacation, we have come back to our GK class. I think you have done your holiday homework properly. And I have given you some question to learn from your GK book, isn't it? Yes, I am discussing the answers here. Name some flowers. Name some flowers. Rose, lily, lotus, sunflower, hibiscus. Our national flower, lotus. King of the animals, lion. Our national animal, tiger. National bird of India, peacock. There are 206 bones in our body. The human body has two lungs. They are left lung and the right lung. The left lung is smaller. The right lung is bigger. Liver is the largest organ inside our body. The world's first electronic musical instrument was theremin. Name some musical instruments: sitar, tabla, flute, sharad, santoor. Yes, we have done up to this. Now I am coming to the next questions. You have to learn this question and answer, and you have to write these answers in your GK copy, GK school copy. Name the largest building in the world. Burj Khalifa. Name the largest desert in the world. Sahara. Name the deepest lake in the world. Lake Baikal. Name the longest river in the world. River Nile. Name the smallest country in the world. Vatican City. I think you have learned this. Name the highest waterfall in the world. Angel Falls. Name the coldest continent. Which is it? It is Antarctica. Name 5 healthy habits. Have you heard about the word healthy habits? Which habits are good for our body and health? It is called healthy habits. Washing hands before and after eating. Brushing teeth twice a day. The morning time and the night time you have to brush your teeth. Having a bath every day. Wearing a clean uniform every day. A clean dress every day. Cleaning the cum regularly. These are the healthy habits. Who was the first pilot in India? J.R.D. Tata. Who was the first woman speaker of Lok Sabha? Meera Kumar. Who was the first chess grandmaster in India? Vishwanathan Anand. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Who was the first Nobel Prize winner of India? Rabindranath Tagore. Who was the first woman to climb Mount Everest? From India, Bachendri Pal. I think you have learned this much for your holiday homework. Now I am coming to the next chapter, next page. So please open, better you have to open page, what is it, 15. Look at the picture, fill in the missing letters to write the names of the animals that have the following features. Who are we? Fins. It is stork. Stripes. It is tiger. Feathers. Peacock. Shell. Snail. Pouch. Kangaroo. Spots. Leopard. You have to learn the spellings. Okay. Now come to the next page. The words given in the word puzzle are from some well-known stories. Write the name of the stories. Number 1, ginger bread. Number 2, magic lamp. Number 3, dwarfs. Number 4, wolf. Number 5, balu. Number 6, porridge. Okay, so we have to write the names from which stories we are getting the names. Number 1, gingerbread. The name of the story is Hansel and Gretel. Number 4, wolf. The name of the story, Little Red Riding Hood. Number 6, number 4, Little Red Riding. Number 5, what is it? Baloo, the Jungle Book. Now I am coming to the across part. Magic lamp. The name of the story is Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Number 3, dwarfs. From which story we get the names? Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs. Yes, I think you have learned these stories. Number 6, porridge. Goldilocks and the 3 bears. Okay, it's clear to you all. Let's come to page 17. Read the clues, write the names of the invention. Choose from the box. Inventions: X-ray, digital camera, television, computer, mobile phone. Number 1. It can click and store hundreds of photographs. Digital camera. It is used to process data and produce information. Computer. It is a painless way to take photographs of the bones and organs inside our body. X-ray. It is used to watch educational and entertaining programs. Which is it? This television. Yes. It is used to talk and send and receive messages. What is mobile phone? We use every day, isn't it? Yes. People use windshield wiper on their cars to remove raindrops and darts from the windshields. Who invented this windshield wiper? Mary Anderson. What is her name? Mary Anderson. Mary Anderson. Okay. And India's first we have learned just now. Now dresses of the world. Page number 19. This is a kimono. Have you heard the word kimono? Yeah, kimono is a full-length robe, full-length dress. It is worn on special occasions. Generally, it is the people wear kimonos in Japan. As here is a colorful picture here, and you have to color the picture the right side of the page. See the picture and put the color here with your wooden pencil color. Don't use crayons. To read about, yes, we have to learn something about kimono. Already learned from above part of the page. What is kimono? Who wears it? Whose national dress is? We have learned it. Now we have to match these traditional clothes to the countries. Name of the dress: shadi, kilt, ponch. Chile, India, Scotland. Shadi is obviously for the country name of the country is India. Kilt, Scotland. Ponch, Chile. Picture of the dresses are given in the next page. Is beside the matching. Yes, come to the next page, page 20. Some Indian sportspersons have won medals at the Olympics. Here are some such sports persons. Write their names. Choose from the box. What are the names given here? Sushil Kumar, Leander Paes, Mary Kom, Abhinav Bindra, Shaina Nehwal. Shooting 2008, Abhinav Brinda. Number 2, tennis 1996, Leander Paes. Badminton 2012, Shaina Nehwal. Number 4, wrestling 2012, Sushil Kumar. Boxing 2012, Mary Kom. Okay. The Olympic symbol has 5 rings: blue, black, red, yellow and green. These rings are interlocked. Almost the countries have at least one of these colors in their flags. Yes. Thank you for today.